Hey guys, I'm in Israel at my parents' house and we are doing a fun spring project here, just planting some strawberries in a hose, a big, not hose, but pipe, and wanted to share this with you. So let's go get it done. Okay, so here's our pipe. Made some holes for the strawberries and we're filling it with, just drilled some holes with the drill, and then over, oh, we can't see it, but on the other side, on the other end, or on the bottom, there are some holes for drainage. And now we are filling it. Here's my daddy. We're filling it with some soil. Okay, so here are the strawberries that we're planting. There's about 10 plants. Some of them already producing, so that'll be fun. Okay, soil is in. Just feeling the end of it, and then we'll close it. Nothing fancy around here, as you can see. Just a simple plastic plant plate, or like a container plate, and we're just closing it with some screws. It's not the best, most beautiful place, most beautiful thing, but it works. Okay, so we're done. The last thing that we added was this shelf next to it, and there's probably many ways to do it, but the things with strawberries is that they send out runners like these, and these runners are actually a new plant. So what we're gonna do is use this shelf to have these little planters that we have here, and we put some soil in there. We'll take these runners and we will plant them just like that in the middle. You use like a little agriculture staple or something, a little piece of wire or something to hold it, to hold the runner just like that in the cup. And then once it starts growing roots and start growing new leaves and everything, then you can cut this part and you have a whole new strawberry plant that you can gift to others, or you can take and plant somewhere else, or you can make another pipe, strawberry pipe like that. So all of them already have some. Here's another one, and here's another one, and they all already sending runners. So this is pretty much new plants. And what you can do is really be self-sufficient when it comes to strawberries. If you take these runners and direct them into a new pot and then let them root and let them start growing leaves, then you disconnect them from the mother plant and you have another plant of strawberries. So this was a fun, easy project, adding some food to this small yard here in Israel. Again, I'm at my parents' house, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video.